Hello student, today's our topic is equilibrium constant from Nernst equation. For that I have considered Daniell-Cell reaction. Now in this reaction, Daniell-Cell, when circuit is closed, the concentration of zinc is increases. Okay, at the same time the concentration of copper is decreases. Okay, and the voltmeter shows the reading which is also decreases. Okay, now after some time it is observed that the voltmeter is showing the zero reading. That means what? The concentration of zinc is equal to the concentration of the copper. It indicates that equilibrium has been attained. Okay, so at equilibrium E of cell is equal to 0. Okay, now what is our Nernst equation? Let's write first of all Nernst equation for this Bohr reaction. So E of cell is equal to E naught of cell minus 0.059 upon n log of product concentration upon reactant concentration. Here product is Zn2 plus ion. Okay, and the reactant is Cu2 plus ion. Okay, now as we know at equilibrium the Nernst equation becomes, at equilibrium the Nernst equation is, we can write Nernst equation is E of cell is equal to 0, therefore I wrote here 0, therefore E naught of cell minus 0.059 upon n log of Zn. Now here Zn2 plus upon Cu2 plus, that means what? Product concentration upon reactant concentration. So at equilibrium the value of product concentration upon reactant concentration is equal to Kc. So instead of this I will write here Kc. Okay, now at equilibrium our Nernst equation become like this way. Okay, now we will simplify this equation. So E naught of cell is equal to 0.059 upon n log of Kc, where Kc is the equilibrium constant. Okay, now if I want to find out the value of Kc, so my formula become E naught of cell into n upon 0.059 is equal to log of Kc. Okay, this formula we can use to find out the value of Kc. Now to find out the value of Kc we have to write the antilog of, we have to take antilog of E naught of cell into n upon 0.059 is equal to Kc. So this is the formula to find out the value of Kc, that is equilibrium constant. Okay, let's see one numerical based on it. Okay, calculate the equilibrium constant for the reaction, that is Cu plus 2Ag plus, which gives you Cu2 plus 2Ag. Now here E naught of cell is given, that is 0.46. Now what is our formula to find out the equilibrium constant? That is equilibrium constant Kc is equal to, we will write log Kc, equilibrium constant log of Kc is equal to, what is our formula? This E naught of cell into n upon 0.059. okay, now we have, what is the value of n? N is the number of electron transfer. Here number of electron transfer are 2. Okay, and E naught of cell is given, it is 0.46 into 2 upon 0.059. Here it is 0.46. okay, now we will multiply this equation, so we get the answer 15.59. okay, now we have to find out the value of Kc. okay, so log of Kc is equal to 15.59, therefore value of Kc is equal to we have to take antilog of 15.59. okay, now to find the antilog, what we have write this 59, instead of 59 we will write down direct 15.6 Okay, so I'll show you how to find out antilog over here. So antilog of 15.59. okay, instead of 59 we will write here 6. So antilog of 15.6, so we will write this 10 raised to 15. Now this 6 we will split it into 0.3 plus 0.3. okay, now the antilog of 0.3 is 2 and this is 2, so into this 10 raised to 15. So our answer is 4 into 10 raised to 15. okay, so our value of Kc is equal to 4 into 10 raised to 15.